Welcome to Weird Science. And in this episode, we're going to check out how pollination happens. Notice the bees and the butterflies as they move from flower to flower? Well, they're transferring pollen to help into the process of moving the pollen from one plant to another and helping to fertilize them so that they can gain seeds. Then new growth can happen. This pollen can be transferred from one plant to a nearby plant so that they can make more flowers, and it happens in the plants. We can test this out with a Cheeto experiment. You ever notice when you eat Cheetos how your fingers turn orange? We're going to pretend that powder is the pollen as you move from flower to flower. You can set up a station pretending that you're either a butterfly or a bumblebee, and as you touch the pollen and move to another part of the flower, you can be transferring that pollen to the next plant, and this will help in creation of the new seeds for new plants. And we need plants in our world, so pretending that you are helping in that cross transfer of pollination is awesome to think about. And you'll see in my examples, I pretended I was a butterfly and I pretended I was a bee. And you can set it up in your own way in your home too. Try it. Let me know what sorts of things you thought about as you became the bee or the butterfly as you transferred pollen from one plant to another. Share it with me at our Instagram page. We've had some fun with pollination and Cheetos. Why not pop into the Manlius library or assign a hold with your library card for any of these books at the Manlius library. Anything from bees and bugs and butterflies, which also help, just like the Cheeto experiment, in our pollination experiment. These books are all available at the Manlius library.